you are looking at 1,000,000 pop tabs. How do I know? Because we counted and counted and counted and counted. Because we counted and counted and counted and counted. Because we counted and counted and counted and counted and weighed them. No, we didn't count them all, but we counted 10,000 and weighed them on a metric scale. This is what we used to determine our 1,000,000.
How did we do it?
In November of 1999, when we were in the 5th grade, we put our idea and our picture on hundreds of cans like this and asked everyone we knew to start saving their pop tabs for us.
I guess your next question might be why we decided to collect 1,000,000 pop tabs. Well, that's a pretty good question, and we've been asking ourselves that same question for the past 4 years. And every time we asked ourselves that question, we got the same answer. We wanted to see what they looked like.
If we were to place 1,000,000 pop tabs on a string like this, how long do you think the string would have to be? 17 pop tabs make up an inch of string. So, knowing that, we figured out that 204 pop tabs takes up 1 foot.
17 pop tabs times 12 inches equals 204 tabs in a foot. 1,000,000 divided by 204 equals 4,901.96 feet. There are 5,280 feet in 1 mile, so our string would be almost 1 mile long.
If you lined up 1,000,000 pop tabs end to end, can you guess how far they would reach? According to our calculations, a pop tab is about 1 inch long. Since there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile and 12 inches in 1 foot, we multiplied to find out that there are 63,360 inches in 1 mile. 1,000,000 tabs divided by 63,360 inches equals 15.783 miles. That's almost 16 miles.
As of January 1st, 2002, the population of the world was 6,200,000,000. In order to see that many pop tabs, we would need 6,200 containers like this. Imagine how much space that would take up. I'm not sure that many tabs could fit in the whole museum.
How much do you think all these pop tabs weigh? Let's figure it out. We carefully counted and weighed 10,000 pop tabs and found out that they weigh 6.75 pounds. 10,000 pop tabs is 1/100 of our million. You are looking at 100 boxes of 10,000 tabs. $6.75 pounds times 100 boxes equals 675 pounds. That's over a quarter of a ton. Would all of these tabs be worth a lot of money? The current recycling rate of 40 cents per pound for aluminum, they would be worth $270.
If every one of these pop tabs really came from a can of pop, how much sugar did we drink?
There are 46 grams of sugar in this can of pop.
This is what 46 grams of sugar looks like. A 10-pound bag holds 46 kilograms of sugar. This is the amount of sugar that goes into 100 cans of pop.
It would take 10,000 of these 10-pound bags of sugar to equal the amount of sugar found in 1,000,000 cans of pop. How long would it take to count to 1,000,000?
If you started counting from 1 to 1,000,000 and did not stop to eat or sleep, how long do you think it would take? If you took a half a second to say each syllable of the number, it would take you 66 days, 13 hours, 13 minutes, and 21.5 seconds to count from 1 to 1,000,000.
Since an average pop costs 50 cents right now, how much money do these pop tabs represent? If you take 50 cents times 1,000,000, you will get $500,000. Just imagine spending $500,000 on pop.
It was my problem to figure out the area of 1,000,000 pop tabs if I laid them side by side and flat like this. I glued 1,000 pop tabs to this board, and I measured the length to be 31 3/4 inches and the width to be 20 inches. So the total area of 1,000 pop tabs is 635 square inches. In order to show you 1 million pop tabs laid like this, I would need 1,000 of these boards.
1 million pop tabs would cover an area of 4,410 square feet. We know it's difficult to imagine how much space that is, so we asked these students to help us show you. The area inside the square made by these students is 4,410 square feet. If we laid our 1 million pop tabs out flat, this is how much space they would take up.
Let's see that again. Did you know?
1,000 times 1,000 is 1 million.
1,000 times 1 million is 1 billion.
1,000 times 1 billion equals 1 trillion.
1,000 times 1 trillion is 1 quadrillion.
1,000 times a quadrillion is quintillion.
1,000 times 1 quintillion equals 1 sextillion.
1,000 times 1 sextillion equals 1 septillion.
1,000 times 1 septillion equals
1,000 times 1 octillion equals 1 nonillion.
1,000 times 1 nonillion is 1 decillion.
Where did all these pop tabs come from?
I brought in 296,400 pop tabs.
I brought in 93,900 pop tabs. I brought in 75,854 pop tabs.
I brought in 40,838 pop tabs.
I brought in 15,061 pop tabs.
I brought in 14,000 pop tabs.
I brought in 2,241 pop tabs.
I brought in 8,050 pop tabs.
I brought in 2,500 pop tabs. I brought in 1,160 pop tabs.
We brought in 558,004 pop tabs. That's over 500,000. 1 million minus 558,004 equals 441,996. Additional tabs that were brought in by other students and members of the New Lebanon community. Thank you!